How to fix Facebook comment will appear when online. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or a strong data network. Then after, go to the Play Store and search for Facebook application. And here check for updates. If any updates are available, make sure to update it first, as here update is available. So tap on update and update the application. Then after, go and tap and hold on the Facebook application, tap on app information and tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on clear all data. After that, restart your mobile phone and this will help you fix your problem. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.